Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App routing number. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to be needing the Cash App application. So if you have not already downloaded it guys, what you can do is go to the App Store to download it. So open up your App Store on your mobile phone, go into the search bar and search for Cash App. Go ahead and find the application, download and install it to your mobile phone. And once you have installed it successfully, we can get started opening it up and it's going to look like this. So you can go ahead and log in with your mobile number or your login details, whichever way you prefer. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can take a look at our cash balance. We have our savings options and all the other options we can access. And it's easy as that to open it up. So now we can get started with finding our routing number. Basically, guys, our routing number is going to be our card number. And to be able to find our card number, what we want to do is look right here at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page is the sections tab where we can find all the sections we can access. And as you can see, we are currently in the home tab, and next to the home tab is the credit card icon. So you will want to click on that card icon. After clicking on the card icon, it's going to open up this new page right here. This is going to be our page where we can access our cash card, from which we can find all the details we need. So if you long press your cash card that you have created, guys, you're going to be given this menu right here with the settings that you can access, and one of the options is going to be called show cash card info. So you want to go ahead and click on show cash card info. This is going to go ahead and enable you to take a look at all the info regarding your cash card, such as your number and so on. This is going to be your routing number, guys. Now you can go ahead and take a look at your cash card number that you can use for paying wherever you are with cash card, and this is going to be your routing number that you can find right here, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yes, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.